All right, this is our third pond that we're looking at today, and this is a classic example of a vernal pond or a spring pond. This is a temporary pond. This pond fills up with rainwater in the spring rains, and it will dry out every summer and every fall. If we have really, really wet falls, it will fill back up with water, but it usually does not. Some differences in this pond compared to some of the other ones that we're looking at. So we've got some rooted vegetation in this, and this type of plant right here is actually something called skunk cabbage, and this is a terrestrial plant that's found in kind of wetland swamp type areas. It is not an aquatic plant. As you can see right now, it is submerged in water, at least the roots are submerged in water. That's because it's spring and it's really wet, and this plant could tolerate these conditions. But this is a telltale sign of an vernal pond because this is a terrestrial plant. You can see lots and lots of blue-green algae and other types of algae that are floating in this pond. I'm going to walk out in it real quick and get some of this for you, just to show you what we're talking about here for this type of algae. So this is all blue-green algae. Usually some sort of toxic, noxious components to it, but not always. This is a great habitat right here for spring breeding amphibians. They love this sort of habitat. As you can see, I've walked out quite a bit into this pond, and I am not even close to being up to my waders or up to my muck boots. And we'll walk the margin of this pond right here, and you could see all these plants that are kind of growing, that are submerged right now, or at least their roots are submerged. These are all terrestrial plants that are found in here. An example of some budding plants right here that are found in this. Again, because this is a very, very temporary pond.